I would like to invite Ms. Aviana Paul to welcome our esteemed guests this evening.
Good evening, everyone. I, Aviana Paul, on behalf of the entire fraternity of LL Educational Trust, feel privileged to extend my warmest welcome to each and every one of you gathered here today for our much anticipated School Annual Day Celebration 2024-25. It is an honor to have all of you present here as we come together to celebrate the achievements of our students, our faculty, and our entire school community under the able leadership of Principal Sister Veena Montero. At the outset, I would like to extend a special welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Vinayak. We are truly honored to have you with us this evening. Your presence here adds immense value to our celebration. I would like to acknowledge the distinguished members of our school management. Mr. Albert W. D'Souza, the chairman, Mrs. Elvina D'Souza, the secretary, Mrs. Elaine D'Souza Botello, the treasurer, Mr. Aldrich D'Souza, the trust member, Dr. Mrs. Savita Tauro, Deputy Campus Director and Principal of St. John Pharmacy College, Dr. Ivan Scutino, Dean of Research, St. John Technical Campus, Mr. Satish Shetty, General Manager, Mr. Sudhir Babu, HR Manager of St. John Campus, and all the other principals of different institutions of St. John Campus. A warm welcome goes to all fathers, sisters, principals of various schools, our dedicated faculty members, members of Parent-Teacher Association, and of course, the parents who have always been our strong supporters and partners in shaping the future of the students. The theme of today's annual day is Heroes Amongst Us. And what a fitting theme it is! Today we gather here not only to celebrate the talents and achievements of our students, but to also recognize the heroes within our very community. Heroes come in many forms. Those who inspire others with their actions, those who lead with kindness, those who work tirelessly behind the scenes, those who make difference in the lives of others without seeking recognition. This year, we honor these students who have demonstrated extraordinary courage, determination, and resilience, whether it be in academics, sports, or extracurricular activities. Today, we gather here to celebrate the everyday heroes among us. Our teachers who nurture and guide with care, our parents who offer unwavering support, our staff members who work diligently to ensure everything runs smoothly. As we proceed with today's program, let us be reminded that heroes are not only the ones who wear capes, but rather those who make an impact through their actions, their heart, and their commitment to a greater cause. We have an exciting lineup of performances and awards ahead of us. I kindly encourage you to cheer with enthusiasm for the students as they showcase their talent and hard work. Once again, let us all take a moment to appreciate the many heroes who make LL Educational Trust a place of learning, growth, and inspiration. Once again, thank you all for being here, and I wish you an enjoyable and a memorable evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Aviana. As Helen Keller wisely stated, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Embracing this belief, we understand that the future is shaped by those who dare to dream. Now it is my pleasure to invite Mrs. Vidya Lakshmi Pujari to the stage to introduce our distinguished chief guest.
Good evening, everyone. It is with great pleasure that I introduce our esteemed chief guest for today's annual day function, Mr. Vinayak Narle. Mr. Narle hails from the village of Junoni in the Sangola district of Solapur. He was born and brought up in the vibrant city of Chembur, Mumbai. A man of great intellect and dedication, he pursued his education with a BSc and LLB degree before stepping into the world of public service. His career journey is truly an inspiration to us. Mr. Narle began his remarkable public service journey in 2009 when he joined the State Transport Department as Assistant Traffic Superintendent. He continued to rise through the ranks with selections in key positions such as Sales Tax Inspector in 2011 at Palghar, followed by a Naib Tehsildar role in Baramati in 2012. In 2013, he took on the role of Deputy Superintendent of Police, where his leadership and commitment to justice made a lasting impact in Raigad. His dedication and efforts continued in Kolhapur from 2015 to 2018, followed by an impactful tenure in Thane district from 2019 to 2021 and Meera Bhayandar from 2021 to 2023. His exceptional performance throughout these years led to his promotion as Deputy Commissioner of Police for Bandra in 2023. Most recently, in 2024, Mr. Narle was appointed as the Additional Superintendent of Police at Palghar, marking yet another milestone in his distinguished career. We are incredibly fortunate to have Mr. Narle with us today, a true embodiment of service, discipline, and dedication. His contributions have not only shaped the law enforcement landscape, but have also a remarkable example of perseverance and excellence in public service. I now invite our esteemed Chairman, Mr. Albert W. D'Souza, and our dedicated Secretary, Mrs. Elvina D'Souza, to come forward and honor our Chief Guest, Mr. Vinayak Narle, with a token of love and appreciation.
Thank you, sir and ma'am. Next, I would like to request our principal, Sister Veena Montero, to kindly present a floral tribute to the dignitaries on stage.
Thank you, sister. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Today, we gather to honor the dedication and achievements of our students who have brought pride to our institution.
It is now our privilege to celebrate these remarkable individuals by presenting them with their well-deserved certificates and trophies.
I would like to invite Ms. Chahal Dharod to announce the names of the toppers for the academic year 2023-24.
Academic toppers exemplify dedication, discipline, and a thirst for knowledge. Their success reflects hard work, consistency, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. They inspire others to strive for their best while demonstrating the value of perseverance in achieving goals. Here we call upon the academic toppers for the year 2023-24. I call our chief guest, Mr. Vinayak Narle, to felicitate our toppers. Grade 12th Commerce, Vikas Modaram Suthar, first, 91.6%. He will be awarded a cash prize of Rs 4,000 as scholarship in the name of Professor Radhakrishnan Iyer, along with a certificate and a trophy. Aditya Ashwini Shukla, second, 88.2%. He is absent. Janish Ramesh Jain, third, 81.8%. Grade 12 Science, Gajali Janba Patil, first, 83.6%. She will be awarded a cash prize of rupees 4,000 as scholarship in the name of Professor Radhakrishnan Iyer along with a certificate and a trophy. Tanvi Sachin Shingra, second, 81.4%. Jyotiransh Avinash Rai, third, 80%. Grade 10th, Rugved Suryakant Andale, first, 97%. He is absent. Arya Pranay Patil, second, 96.2%. Shruti Santosh Patil, third, 95.6%. We have Mr. Yashash Durvesh Raut from grade 9th who participated in Vanda National Junior Science Olympiad. He won silver medal and ranked second in the state rank. Miss Rajvi Gharat participated in NSKF, Indian National Karate Do Championship and secured second place under 12 years girls individual kata. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon our chairman, Mr. Albert W. D'Souza, to give away the certificates. Grade 1st A, Shivai Pradakash Mishra, first, 99.4%. Ojasvi Lokesh Bhanushali, second, 98.9%. Yatharth Tanvesh Patil, second, 98.9%. Grade 1st B, Shravya Lavesh Jadhav, first, 99.8%. Yashvi Krunal Sankhe, second, 99.6%. Grade 1st C, Insia Mois Palgarwala, first, 99.3%. Neha Jayesh Kumar Patel, second, 99.2%. Rishabh Yogesh Jain, second, 99.2%. Grade 2nd A, Murtaza Mustafa Chakalia, first, 100%. Aradhya Shirish Thore, second, 99.6%. Thank you, sir. Now I call Madam Elvina D'Souza, the Secretary of Eldel Education Trust, to give away the certificates. Grade 2nd B, Saad Sumit Chile, first, 99.7%. Please give him a big round of applause. Zoya Avtaru Gupta, second, 99.3%. Grade 3rd A, Princey Vijay Maurya, first, 99.1%. R.V. Bhairavnath Patil, second, 98.6%. Grade 3rd B, Ayansh Ashwin Nambiar, first, 99.8%. Nyan Jatin Gharat, second, 99.6%. Grade 4th A, Anna Nilesh Patil, first, 99.6%. Adhiraj Vinay Sankhe, second, 99%. Grade 4th B, Pareen Dheeraj Raut, first, 97%. Vihan Rohidas Kini, first, 97%. Rahi Pankaj Jain, second, 96%. She is absent. Ansh Adesh Bhoir, second, 96%. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call Madam Elaine D'Souza Buthello, the Treasurer of Aldal Education Trust, to give away the certificates. Grade 5th A, Grace Mariam Sam, first, 99.6%. Jisha Jayesh Kumar Patel, second, 96.6%. Grade 5th B, Anshi Samir Taylor, first, 98.9%. She is absent. Lakshya Lokesh Vyas, second, 98.1%. Grade 6A, Zaina Mohammad Nawazish Sheikh, first, 98.42%. Shreyas Anand Kurdukar, second, 97.92%. Grade 6B, Dhairya Jignesh Damani, first, 98.75%. Dhwani Kiran Sonavne, second, 98.17%. Grade 7th A, Yana Mahavir Jain, first, 97.33%. Hardiki Dattatray Shinde, second, 95.67%. Grade 7th B, Dishant Kishore Gharte, first, 93%. Sanchi Govindangra, second, 92.25%. Hardik Praveen Jain, second, 92.25%. He is absent. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call Mr. Aldrich D'Souza, member of Aldal Education Trust, to give away the certificates. Grade 8A, Krisha Jayesh Mehta, first, 98.17%. Tanishq Bhagesh Mahajan, second, 98%. He is absent. 8th B, Judge Harshal Tare, first, 99.17%. Avni Nilesh Patil, second, 98%.
Grade 9th A, Chahal Chirag Dharod, first, 94%. Chaitya Chirag Dharod, second, 93.33%. Grade 9B, Vihan Yogesh Bhavna, first, 94%. Netra Sameer Taylor, second, 93.67%. She is absent.
Grade 11th Commerce, Praveen Mohan Purohit, first, 90.6%. Om Ramvilas Yadav, second, 87%. Grade 11 Science, Ishita Vikas Kini, first, 89.6%. Man Piyush Thakkar, second, 88.6%. Now I call upon Master Chaitya Dharod to carry forward.
Master Rugbed Andhale secured first position in the boards. I request his parents to kindly come forward and collect his award.
Students with 100% attendance showcase remarkable dedication, responsibility and consistency. Their commitment reflects a strong sense of discipline and the importance they place on learning and growth. They set an inspiring example of reliability and perseverance for others. Here we call upon the students with centum attendance. I call upon Dr. Ivan Scutino, Dean of Research, St. John Technical Campus, to give away the certificates. Mont 3B, Prisha Nilesh Boer. Grade 1st B, Atif Irfan Dhanani. Grade 2nd B, Manasvi Vinod Gimbal. Grade 2nd B, Manasvi Vinod Gimbal. Myra Kunal Patil. Karthik Mahesh Avatar. Grade 3rd A, Afia Azim Ishani. Grade 3rd B, Anvi Jayesh Bhoer. Bhumi Ashish Patil. Nishika Sumit Asnadi. Akhil Ajay Yadav. Grade 4th A, Aradhya Devanand Vaze. Arnav Sanket Pise. Grade 4th B, Hiti Chetan Gharat. Grade 5th A, Aditi Ajay Yadav. Jay Sujit Pimple. Nirbhay Singh Rathore. He is absent. Thank you, sir. I now call upon our principal, Sister Veena Montero, to give away the certificates. Grade 6th B, Ashna Dhirendra Singh. Akanksha Vinod Gimbal. Dveta Rakesh Patil. Grade 7th A, Hardiki Dattatray Shinde. Grade 8th A, Prishita Govind Lakhyani. Grade 8th B, Rudra Girish Matre.
Grade 9th A, Mahi Mukesh Verma. Chaitya Chirag Dharod. Hardik Milind Joshi. Tirth Pavan Pathak. Grade 9th B, Smruti Dinesh Patil. Arjun Anil Nair. Om Vinod Patil.
Thank you, ma'am. I now call upon Mr. Aldrich D'Souza, member of Eldel Educational Trust, to give away the certificates. Grade 10th A, Chehel Chirag Dharod. Arjun Anil Nair. Tirth Pavan Pathak. Grade 10th B, Hardik Milind Joshi. Grade 11th Commerce, Shivam Pramod Yadav. He is absent. Praveen Mohan Purohit. Grade 11th Science, Aksa Anwar Khalifa. Gargi Hareshwar Marle. Nibha Nandalal Yadav. Man Piyush Thakkar. Satyam Tilakram Chaudhary. Grade 12th Science, Dhruvesh Sandeep Murha. Thank you, sir.
Thank you to all the dignitaries.
We are delighted to announce the launch of the third edition of our school magazine
Literati
this evening.
This edition not only captures the significant events and accomplishments of our school, but also features the incredible creativity and talent of our students.
I now invite our honored dignitaries to release the school magazine.